We'll demonstrate zigzag stitch. Come up from left side of pattern. Take down at upper point. Come up at lower point of triangle. Take down again at first stitch point above. Angle needle vertically to point of second triangle. Like this. Pull thread. Return to lower diagonal point of first triangle, take down. Move needle vertically to lower point of third triangle. Angle needle out and pull thread. Same as before, return to top. Take down. Move needle vertically to point of third triangle. Pull thread. Creating continuous wave-like lines. Continue returning to bottom, take down. Angle needle out in sequence to forward points. Note stitch spacing. Keep consistent with diagonal angle. This way, stitch zigzag shape will be neat. Following steps, complete remaining pattern. Stitched feet present zigzag pattern, similar to triangle shape. Stitches arranged at diagonal angle. To highlight zigzag texture, each time taking down must be at previous stitch position, leaving no gaps. This way forms straight triangle. Stitch zigzag will be attractive. This stitch is perfect for some edge seams or outline embroidery. Can create nice texture. Final stitch returns to upper stitch here. Take down. Let's see the finished effect.